What is the misconception that you're trying to break for your clients in order to give these clients to be like, Samir, we need more?
A lot of people have a misconception of the entire insurance industry overall. They look at it as a bad actor and, a lot of times claims may not be paid and so forth. And I think what it really boils down to, this is what I tell my clients. I said, look, the way the system's set up nowadays with all the laws, the Texas Department of Insurance being so involved with insurance companies, then regulation is very, very strict. There really is no such thing as a bad insurance company. There might be a few that may be trying to be a bad player, but those get taken out very quickly. What it really comes down to is who's representing you. And I'm talking about at a larger scale, not like your home and auto. I mean, that also matters, right? But most of your home and auto, it's very plain and simple. You have coverage, you don't have flood coverage, you're not gonna be covered for flood, but then have you been advised to carry flood coverage? Does your policy, is it an HOB? Is it covering you for full replacement cost? Have you been advised that that's the upgrade that you're gonna need for your policy to make sure that you're covered? Are you on a broad form? Are you on basic form? And that's why the insurance industry gets a bad name sometimes, because there's some folks out there that they just want to close the deal.
That's right.
They don't want to look at each individual risk and understand what the risk tolerance is for the folks that you're speaking to.
Yeah.
They're just going to design something and say, here, let's close it. And the other thing, a lot of, not all, but some brokers, what they do is, and even direct agents, what they do is they just find the cheapest possible option.
Right.
Because in their mind, they think somebody's price shopping. And if someone's price shopping, then you're going to end up getting the cheapest rate. And there's going to be things from your policy that's going to be missing in case something happens.